Today, now we discuss about the another problems belongs to Pythagoras theorem. The 12th problem, two poles of 8, 6 meter and 11 meter stands on a plain ground. A, B and C, D are the two poles are stand on a plain ground. B, D is the ground. Therefore, AB height is 6 meter, CD height is 11 meter. These are difference. The distance between two poles is 12 meter. These are at 12 meter distance. Find the distance between their tops. The distance between A and C. These are the tops of two poles. By joining this, we get find the distance between A and C, or distance between their tops. We draw one of the perpendicular line from A to CD. This is the perpendicular line. This is CE. AE is the perpendicular distance from AE is perpendicular to CD. This is 6 meter. This is 6 meter. This is 6 meter. These are parallel to each other. The remaining is 5 meter. This is 12 meter. This is also 12 meter. Therefore, AE is also 12 meter. CE is 5 meter. This is a right angle triangle. Therefore, in a triangle ACE, angle E is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on other two sides. Therefore, AC square is equal to AE square plus CE square. AC, we find it. Therefore, AE square is, the value of AE is 12 square. The value of CE is 5 square. Therefore, 12 12 is 144. 5 5 is 25. Therefore, by adding these two, we get 169. 169 is a perfect square of 13. Therefore, 13 square cancel. Therefore, AC is equal to 13 meter. Therefore, the distance between their tops is 13 meter. Next, we take another problem, 14th. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D. Therefore, triangle ABC, we draw a perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to CD. The point D intersect BC at D such that BD is equal to 3 times CD. BD is equal to 3 times CD. Then we have to prove that 2 times AB square is equal to 2 times AC square plus BC square. Therefore, in a triangle ACD, we know that AC square is the perpendicular hypotenuse. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to CD square plus AD square. Therefore, AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. This is equation 1. Next, in a triangle ADB, AB is the hypotenuse. Therefore, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square, write it as it is. AD means AC square minus CD square by, from equation 1. BD means 3 times CD whole square from 1. Therefore, AB square is equal to AC square minus CD square plus 3 3 is 9 CD square. Therefore, AC square minus, this is 1 CD square. These are positive and negative sign. Plus 9 CD square minus 1 CD square means plus 8cd square. AB square is equal to AB square is equal to AC square plus, it can be written as 2 into 4cd square. AC square plus 2 into 4cd can be written as 2 times cd whole square. AC square is equal to R 2 into 2 times cd whole square means BC is equal to BD plus CD. BD means 3 times CD plus CD means CD. 3 plus 1, 4 times CD is equal to BC. Therefore, 2 times CD is equal to BC by 2. 2 times CD is equal to BC by 2. 2 into 2. Therefore, 2 CD is equal to BC by 2. We substitute BC by 2 whole square. AC square is equal to 2 into BC square by 2 to the 4. AB square. AB square is equal to AC square plus 2 ones are 2 twos are BC square by 2. We take LCM or we same the denominator. Therefore, multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Therefore, bases are same. Therefore, by adding indices 2AC square plus BC square. By cross multiplication, we get 2 times AB square is equal to 2 times AC square plus BC square. This is the solution for problem 14.